Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with a question that might sting a little. When was the last time you felt like you were actually living, and not just surviving the next week, the next bill, the next deadline? Because the truth is, most people in America aren't stuck in the rat race because of their income, or their job, or even the economy. They're stuck because of something far more subtle, a mindset built around endless consumption, endless pressure, and endless comparison. The American rat race isn't just about working 9 to 5. It's about the mental treadmill we're all placed on since childhood. The treadmill that tells you you're only successful if you're constantly upgrading your phone, your car, your house, your life. It's the mindset whispering, buy more, earn more, work more, and still feel behind. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I met a man who had a 6-figure job, a beautiful home, and all the markers of making it. But one night, he told me something I'll never forget. He said, "I'm not living, I'm maintaining. My life is just subscription fees, credit card interest, and exhaustion." And that's the moment I realized something powerful. Escaping the American rat race is not about earning more. It's about thinking differently. Today, I'm going to give you 5 skills, not theories, not cliches, 5 powerful mindset and action skills that will help you reclaim your life, your time, and your freedom. Let's begin. Skill 1, the skill of intentional poverty. Now, stay with me on this one, because the name shocks people. Intentional poverty does not mean being poor. It means choosing a good enough lifestyle instead of a never enough lifestyle. It's the understanding that the quickest way to get ahead is not by chasing more income, but by eliminating the financial holes you keep falling into. See, America doesn't actually have an income problem. It has a consumption problem. We buy to impress people who don't care. We spend to match people we don't even like. We upgrade things that didn't need upgrading. This mindset keeps you trapped in what I call the illusion of security. Because if your lifestyle needs every dollar you earn, you are not secure, you're fragile. Intentional poverty asks you to embrace a radical idea. What if your life didn't need to look rich, so you could actually become rich? It's choosing a reliable used car over a luxury lease. It's choosing peace over pressure. It's choosing freedom over flexing. This skill builds your financial defense, which is far more powerful than offense. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Wealth grows fastest when your lifestyle stops growing. Once you control consumption, you stop working for your bills and start working for your freedom. Let's shift to skill number 2, because it builds directly on this. Skill number 2, the skill of asymmetric thinking. Asymmetric thinking is the mindset upgrade that changes everything. Most people spend their entire lives doing activities with linear returns. Work 1 hour, get paid 1 hour. Finish 1 task, get 1 result. Learn 1 skill, move 1 step forward. Linear, predictable, limited. This is the time tax, the invisible cost of trading your most precious asset for survival. Asymmetric thinkers do the opposite. They ask, what can I do once that pays me forever? This is high leverage thinking. Instead of scrolling, reacting, checking emails 40 times a day, they invest time into building systems, creating digital assets, learning skills with exponential payoff, producing instead of consuming. 1 YouTube video can work for you in your sleep. 1 automated process can save you hours a week. 1 online product can sell 1,000 times. Asymmetric thinkers escape the rat race because they shift from time-based living to value-based living. Let me give you a phrase that can completely reshape your life. Stop doing $10 tasks when you're capable of $10,000 results. This is the mindset shift that separates the stuck from the unstoppable. Now, mindset changes are not enough. To escape the rat race, you need modern, practical, actionable skills. Let's go there. Skill 3. The skill of income stream diversification. In today's America, a single income is a single point of failure. Your company can disappear. Your industry can shrink. Your job can be automated. Your health can change. One stream is not security. It's vulnerability. But diversification is not just having side hustles. It's creating systems that let money work for you. Think in 3 categories. 1. Active income. Your job, your primary work. This pays the bills. 2. Semi-passive income. Digital products, affiliate income, small niche content channels, rental platforms. These take effort up front, then run on autopilot. 3. Passive income. Long-term stocks, index funds, dividends, automated investments, business systems. Your goal is simple. Replace parts of your monthly expenses with automated income, piece by piece, dollar by dollar. When your income no longer depends solely on your time, you begin escaping the rat race. Let's move to Skill 4, the skill that amplifies everything. Skill 4, the skill of digital leverage. If you want to escape the rat race in today's America, you need leverage. And the greatest leverage today is digital. Digital leverage is doing work once and letting the internet multiply it infinitely. You can leverage AI prompting to speed up work, consulting expertise online, short-form content, long-form content, digital courses, automation tools, no-code platforms, freelancing marketplaces, email newsletters, personal branding. The beauty of digital leverage? Tiny actions create massive results. One idea can reach 10 people or 10 million. 1 hour of work can produce value for years. You don't escape the rat race by working harder. You escape by multiplying your effort. Now, there's one more skill, and without this skill, everything else collapses. Ruthless prioritization. Skill 5. The skill of ruthless prioritization. This final skill is the gatekeeper of success. Ruthless prioritization is understanding that you don't lack time, you lack clarity. Most people are drowning not in work, but in distractions disguised as obligations. You say yes too often. You commit to things you don't care about. You default to tasks that feel productive, but create no leverage. To escape the rat race, you must master the mindset of, if it doesn't move me forward, it doesn't get my time. This means learning the power of saying no, protecting your calendar, scheduling thinking time, blocking deep work, limiting social drains, removing energy vampires, and eliminating digital clutter. Your time is not a resource. It is your currency. Zation is the skill that converts your time into transformation. Conclusion and call to action. Let's bring this home. Today, I shared 5 powerful skills that can help you escape the American rat race. 1. Intentional poverty. The courage to say, enough is enough. 2. Asymmetric thinking. Shifting from time work to value work. 3. Income diversification. Building streams, not chains. 4. Digital leverage. Multiplying yourself through the online world. 5. Ruthless prioritization. Protecting your time like your life depends on it, because it does. But here's the truth. The real escape doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. The rat race is not a place. It's a pattern. It's a habit. It's a belief system that says, keep running, keep buying, keep working. Don't question the treadmill. Today, I'm asking you to question it. I'm asking you to look at your life, your time, your dreams, and ask, is this truly the life I want? Because the door to freedom has always been unlocked. You just have to walk through it. Here's my final message to you. You don't escape the rat race by running faster. You escape by rising higher. Build the mindset, build the skills, and build the life that finally feels like yours. Your future is waiting. Go claim it. Thank you.